Hi there, Carlin Walker here with a quick tutorial on how to submit assignments using a website URL. So this is when you create projects on things like Adobe Spark, Padlet, Powtoon, YouTube, anywhere that you've created something that's living in the cloud and you need to share a URL in order to submit it. So first I'm going to click on Submit Assignment, and here I have my choices. I'm going to click on Website URL. Remember, that just means the web address of where this lives. I am going to open up the Padlet. Very often the projects that you create are going to have a share option using the outward arrow or the outward box, so look for it, or export. And then I'm going to copy my link to my clipboard. And then I'm going to paste that here. Be careful, you notice that Canvas gave me some options to choose from in those websites, kind of an autofill. You want to be careful that you don't choose one of those because it might be an old assignment or something you don't want to submit. And then maybe a comment. Hope this works. This was fun. Bibliography, whatever. And click submit. Then your assignment should be available for me to view easily. Hope this helped you submit assignments using website URLs on Canvas. May the force be with you.